my lovely watchers, today you can get ready with me for my spring makeup. First, I put my hair in a ponytail so that's not bothering me. I get started with a face perfector SPF 20, which is really important because you're getting more sun in the summer and spring. As it's summer and spring makeup, I want to keep it more natural and light, and because of that my choice is a BB cream, which has very light texture but still covers well enough. This one is by Maybelline, and by the way the brush is by BYS. An important thing for me is a concealer, because I have dark circles under my eyes, and as I said, I want to look really fresh in this and next season, so I don't want those circles to stand out that much. The concealer is from The Body Shop and perfect for this time of the year because it's pinky tone. Next is bronzer, and who doesn't love a nice glow in their face? Plus, you can make your face look slimmer with that. And sorry because of that silly face, but you know girls, that's how we do it. And don't worry, I'll blend out the bronzer later. Pink blush is a good choice for spring and summer. Mine is by Makeup Store, and the applicator is the softest thing ever. You know, just had to mention that. To set all the face makeup, I use my matte powder by The Balm. I also blend out the bronzer and blush now. And now, that felt like a kitty, and I am weird, and okay, I'm done with my life. As I don't want to use highlighter, I use a very light powder to highlight just a little. Now gonna move to my eye makeup, and first gonna prime in my eyes. Okay, actually eyelids, but you know, kinda same thing. Now I apply this shimmer eye dust all over my lids, and you don't have to worry if you mess up with that all like I did, cause we're gonna blend it out and everything will be okay. By the way, the shadow is in color Purple Glow and really has a very nice shiny glow in it. Next step is a darker purple, and I preferred matte one, but you'll be totally okay with the shiny one too. Apply the shadow on crease and make sure you don't put that very close to your lashes, just on the outer corners and then in the middle of your lid to give your eyes a glow. Then blend them together. Take a purple which is lighter than the dust was, apply it to the inner corners and blend together with other eyeshadows. Now again take the dark shadow and add some more to your outer corners to buff it more up. As long as I got you. Okay, now my almost favorite part. Take a light blue eyeliner and make a medium line with that and end it in the outer corner. And that thing is the cherry on the top for this eye makeup. That changes the look so more fantastic, and that's the thing why I love this makeup. To make your eyes more awake, do a line with a white pencil to your lower lash line. Curl your lashes, and everybody know how to do it, so I'm not gonna show you that so much. And now give the final finish with the mascara. Mine is from Forever 21 and literally extra cheap. but look how amazing lashes it's making. The brush is also very good. So, what can I say? Good job Forever 21. And as you can tell, mascara gives so much to a look. So, even if you don't want to wear any makeup, only mascara is good enough.
Yeah, they told me that it's beautiful, that I could fly if I wanted to. The streets are paved with gold, and no one grows old. Behold, paradise, sweet paradise. Smiles at the gates, trumpets play, always safe, it never rains. No pain, no pain. Only some of us can go, baby. Only some of us can go, yeah, oh yeah. Well, can you believe it? Can you believe it? No way.
And that's my finished spring and summer makeup. Thanks for getting ready with me, and I hope you had a good time with me. See you in the next one. Bye bye!